Hello friends, greetings from Malta. Today we went on a boat tour in Dwejra. It cost only €5, incredible price for 15 minutes boat ride. And you pass through this tunnel in the cave and then you explore the coastline. And we also explored the town of Victoria or Rabat on Gozo. So enjoy the footage, be well, greetings from Malta. This place is called Dwejra, and we are taking a boat tour which costs only €5. The ride is 15 minutes around the island of Gozo in the northern part of Malta. Was it collapsed or what? Hey. It was like this, but it collapsed. No more. This is the city center of a town called Victoria or Rabat on the island of Gozo. It's the biggest city on the island of Gozo. Those are the flags of Malta. In the memorial is to the Maltese from the island of Gozo who died during the Second World War. Flag of Malta is white, red. Yes. This is traditional Maltese food called pastizi. It's usually filled with cheese or some filling like peas or something. It costs only 0.50 cents, 50 euro cents, and if you buy two like that with a cappuccino, you'll pay only 250 euro. It's super cheap. It's like the most cheap country perhaps in all of Europe. One of the cheapest, definitely. Like, price is incredible. This is a fine restaurant, but it's more expensive one, but still pizza cheaper than in Italy. Hamburgers means well, but this is a very fine restaurant. Not many tourists right now here, but in the summer it will go crazy. Like, will be many people here and tourists. You see Maltese registration plates have and European Union logo. Those are traditional Maltese balconies. They are like this. You see, very common in Malta to have balconies like this. See, Gozo sightseeing, bus in many languages. It goes all around the island of Gozo. Many jeeps on Gozo, at least I see here, like Isuzu, this type of jeeps. It's more kind of a countryside Malta. You see, people are very religious here, super religious. Every house is named after some saint or some Virgin Mary or Jesus or story from the Bible. Another Maltese balconies, you see, very traditional for Malta to have balconies like this. And, very much traffic, many traffic jams. You see those balconies, how special they are. Like suspended from the houses, like bee huts. It's very traditional for Malta. And you see, its inscriptions are in English. It's because English is official language here. Gozo real estate, you know. Let's see the prices for apartments. House 550,000 euro, 60,000 euro. Penthouse, 2 bedrooms, 285,000 euros. Apartment, 230,000 euros. Houses, terraced houses, 446,000 euro. Terraced house with a pool, 240,000 euro. 270,000 euro. Penthouse. House with a character, 260,000 euro. Expensive, not cheap. Houses are expensive here.